Today should hopefully be a bitchin' day. The bucket is fucking ready. It is complete. I have my new ECU from Castle Performance. That one shouldn't be fucked, so we're gonna throw that in. And then we put oil in it, plugs in it, and then we get to fucking drive it. Dude, this moment has been coming for a long time, and it is gonna be so nice to actually drive this thing. It doesn't have an exhaust on, so right now it's literally just open headers. So we're just going to be able to take it around the block. Not to mention it's not smogged or insured or any of that shit. It doesn't have a hood on it, but dude, just to be able to take it around the block is going to be a huge step in getting this thing back on the road. So it's all ready. Our catch can is lined and ran. The intake manifold is back on. The cooling system is back on. We got the whole drivetrain in. We got the ACT 6-butt clutch in, we got the new shift kit in, all that stuff. The drive shaft is in. This thing is ready to frickin' drive, man. This thing ran perfectly fine last time, so if we fire it up and it has issues, I'm gonna immediately swap out the ECU from that car, and then hopefully we should have no issues. But that ECU, the one I got, should be in good condition. It should be working. So here's the new Bish. Oh, baby. Please do not be broken. Ooh, baby. Castle Performance Ultimate Swap DME for the M3. Please work. Please be the resolution to all my problems. ECU's in, baby. Get you cleaned up there, buddy. Also, for those of you wondering, I did not get the fuel rail brackets from m50manifold.com. Eric did not contact me. I emailed him. He didn't get back to me. So I basically just fabricated my own. So in the Mishimoto catch can little hardware pack, they have these guys. It came with 2 of them, so this is like an L bracket for mounting the can. I literally just like cut it in half and then drilled a hole there and there. And then bing bada boom, we have fuel rail brackets. So those are on, those are tight. That rail's not going anywhere, so we are freaking chilling to drive. Another thing I might add is because this does not have a mid-pipe or a cat, it doesn't have the catalytic O2 sensors on it, the post-cat sensors. So I might get a check engine light on first start and until we put the exhaust system on it, so I'm not tripping too hard about that. But if we can fucking drive it, then we fucking drive it, so it's gonna be sick. You need to go on something like this. So I'm kind of bleeding the cooling system as best as I can without the engine running. So if you pop that little bleed screw and then add coolant in here, when there's like no coolant in the system, it'll sort of bleed it, but not really. If you'll notice, the coolant level was dropping. So I'm going to put some coolant in it, and you guys will kind of hear air rushing out of this. You hear that very faint hissing? So that's air escaping out of the system. So you can kind of bleed the cooling system partially without even turning the engine on. So I'm just going to sit here and bleed it as best as I can. Of course, it's not going to get into the heater core and all that stuff by doing this, but it'll give us a better start to bleeding it than if we just started it up without any coolant in there. Let's get this battery life going. Live, my sweetheart. Alright, let's get some window action. Not yet. Does this one work? Fuck. You know what sucked? Is this window worked before the block cracked. And the block cracked and now this window doesn't work. Awesome, man! What's on, man? Ready to get this pig rolling today, dude? Fucking take it for a drive skis, bro. If this all goes well, we'll fucking take it on the block, dude.
Alright, you know.
Time for the spark plugs. I'm fucking getting nervous again. I was like putting the coil pack harness on and out of nowhere I was like, ah.
It was bestowed upon me by the Lady of the Lake, for my divine right to rule. Camelot.
Is that it?
That's it.
Fuck, dude. And a dirty ass windshield. So it should be in neutral. When you start it up, just push the clutch in. That's your oil pressure light, the one with the teapot. You should know. Crank it until the teapot light goes out, and then that'll mean there's oil pressure, and then I'll plug in the fuel route real quick, and then start it again. It should just fucking rotor live.
Okay.
So it should be in neutral, but I'd check. Fucking spin it, dude. Good? Make sure that's in, that's in. Alright, send it. Fuck, that's loud. Fuck, dude. What's it idling at?
Fucking, I'd say 600.
That's fucking ripping, dude. Alright, so now we gotta bleed the cooling system. So turn the heater all the way up. Let me know when it starts blowing hot. Fucking shit, that's gnarly. Oh my fucking god, bro. This thing is alive. Fuck. I don't remember it being that fucking loud. Fucking shit, dude. Is it warming up at all?
A little bit, I think so.
A little bit. Dude, that thing is fucking loud.
It's a fucking beast.
Oh my god. You ready to take it for a fucking drive, bro?
I'm so ready.
Fuck, let's do it. Jesus.
First fucking drive.
First fucking drive, dude. Top down, absolutely.
Fucking monster.
Fuck me, dude. Fuck me. Very nice, very nice.
She moves.
That clutch is weird, dude.
How so?
It's like, it's a 6-puck, so it's like super binary.
Right.
It's like on or off. There's like no progressive with it. Fucking hell. That's fucking loud, dude. exhaust back on, bro. I cannot be driving around like this.
No, you can't. Not with those fucking backfires.
Just needs to figure its life out. Probably needs the exhaust. That's probably why it's dying.
No back pressure. Down on low end torque too. Fucking hell. So loud.
So fucking loud. Fuck, dude. How was that, bro?
Unlike anything I've personally experienced in my life.
That was fucking crazy, dude. That thing is so fucking loud, dude. I cannot go out again without an exhaust on. We have to put an exhaust on this thing. Even just a cat, dude. Even just that mid-pipe makes it so much more quiet. That was insane. Those pops sound like freaking gunshots. They're so loud. Like, you felt it in your chest when that thing popped.
Oh, yeah.
That is freaking crazy. And it's down on torque pretty good because we don't have an exhaust on. Also, it might be because there's low compression pistons in it, but fuck it. Dude, that's fucking cool that thing drove.
You're probably going to get a lot more torque on the low end once you put the turbo on.
Oh, absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah.
That's probably where you're going to be building all of your low end.
That's really, because this thing's down on like 50 horsepower just because it's low compression, you know? So it's going to be a dog until I get the turbo on here. But, dude, even just fucking driving it, that was fucking cool.
That was fucking awesome.
That was fucking cool. We got to put the whole upper cowl system on. We got to put the windshield wipers on. We got to put the hood on. We got to put the whole exhaust on. So there's still a good bit of work to do on the car, but now that it fucking runs, like, it's going to be nothing. And then I just got to get it smogged, registered, insured, and then we'll be fucking cruising in this thing, bro.
Paperwork after that.
Yeah, exactly. This is closer than we've ever been to getting this thing back on the road.
Dude, we're already past the home stretch.
It was on the road today, bro.
Yeah.
That's fucking cool. Hell yeah. It was nice driving this thing with the top down. But I gotta fuck with this thing more because it's not locking anymore. I gotta do a bunch of shit to this top to get it to work properly again. But this window works again. Fuck yeah, dude.
Hell yeah.
That's a start.
That's definitely most def.
That was an experience, bro.
Dude, that was so hype. Like, I'm fucking...
I'm still shaking, bro. That's fucking cool.
Yeah.
Alright, just a couple more steps and this thing will be back on the road fully and hopefully daily drivable again. Alright, I'll see you guys the next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Keep it fresh and I'll see you guys later.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe
saw the, so I saw your Snapchat, and it was just him, and I was like, you bring me those cigarettes, but fucking, then it went to the video of you in a convertible, and now it's running, and I still haven't fucking heard it.